Hello, nature enthusiasts. Welcome to Voice of Nature. Today, we have a mesmerizing treat for you. A 1-minute journey into the world of butterflies gracefully dancing over a sea of blooming flowers. Let's dive in. Look at these delicate creatures, the epitome of grace and beauty. As they hover over the blossoms, it's like witnessing a living work of art. Each butterfly, a tiny masterpiece of nature, flits from flower to flower, sipping nectar and pollinating as they go. It's a delicate dance that keeps our ecosystems thriving. The butterflies, with their vibrant wings, contribute to the pollination process, ensuring the continuation of this beautiful cycle of life. As we wrap up this 2-minute journey, let's remember to cherish the small wonders around us. Nature has a way of reminding us of the beauty that exists in the simplest moments. Thanks for joining us today at Voice of Nature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more enchanting content. Until next time, take a moment to appreciate the butterflies dancing over the flowers. Bye for now.